Here we have a 2021 FXBBS Softail Street Bob. Comes with the Harley-Davidson logoing on the tank. Does have the Milwaukee-Eight 114 cubic inch engine. Lots of power, super crisp throttle response. Mid-mount controls for a real nimble ride. This one does have some added Cobra slip-ons. Gives a nice throaty sound. Added Saddlemen 2-up seat, diamond stitched, and passenger pegs so you can take someone along for the ride. There's also a preload adjustable mono shock under that seat to accommodate for 2-up riding or for a more stiff, aggressive riding style. LED turn signals in the rear. 114 badging on the derby cover. It does have a center fill gas cap and digital analog on the risers. It gives a nice clean tank look. And we're looking at 3,037 miles on the odometer. It does have a set of 12-inch Tbars. Aftermarket fairing in the front, protect from wind. Also has the LED headlight and bullet turn signals. Lace front wheel with the chop fender to show it off. Let's go ahead and hear a cold start.